How to fix Instagram music isn't available on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix isn't available problem on Android or iOS phone. First, open Play Store or App Store and then just type here Instagram, and now make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here and then click on it if you found it. And now let's move to the next step. If that doesn't fix your problem, restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, now if you have an Android phone, go to settings and then make sure power saving mode is disabled. Then go to apps again, type Instagram and click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.